Meaning of incongruity.
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 Incongruity. Incongruity refers to a lack of harmony or consistency between two or more things that are normally expected to be in agreement. It can manifest in various forms such as inconsistency in behavior, actions, or ideas. Incongruity often results in feelings of confusion, surprise, or even humor when something unexpected or unusual is encountered. It can also lead to cognitive dissonance when conflicting thoughts or beliefs are present in an individual's mind. Overall, incongruity highlights the importance of consistency and coherence in our daily lives.